Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself with a finished Canva presentation, but you really wish you could add your own voice to walk people through it, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can record a voiceover in Canva using two super easy methods. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add a personal touch or even a professional AI voice to any of your Canva projects. Whether you're making lessons, pitches, or just want your presentation to stand out, you've got options. All right, let's jump right in. So you've got your Canva presentation all set up, slides are done, design looks great, but it's missing that engaging voiceover. No worries, Canva's built-in tools make this a breeze, even if you've never recorded audio before. The first way to do it is by recording yourself directly inside Canva. To get started, head over to the Uploads panel, usually found on the left sidebar. You'll see the option that says Record Yourself. Now, think of this as setting up your own little recording studio right in Canva. When you click this option, you'll notice that you have to give Canva permission to access your camera and microphone. This step is essential. Without it, Canva can't pick up your voice or video if you choose to go that route. Don't worry if you're not keen on being on camera. You can use just the microphone and skip the video if you're only after a voiceover. Once permissions are set, you'll see the record screen. There's a record button, just click that when you're ready. You might want to take a moment here, think about what you want to say, maybe jot down a few notes or even rehearse once or twice. Then when you feel good, hit record and start speaking naturally, just like you're explaining your slides to a friend. If you make a mistake, don't stress. You can always stop, re-record, or trim your audio before saving. Once you're happy with your recording, hit save and exit, and Canva will add your voiceover file right into your uploads. From there, simply drag and drop it onto your presentation. It really is that simple. Now maybe you're feeling a bit camera shy or you just don't have time to record your own voice. That's where Canva's AI audio option comes in, the second way to add a voiceover. Here how it works. In the same Uploads section, find the area that says Generate AI Audio. Click on that and a new window will pop up. In this space, you can just type out whatever script you want the AI to read. This could be your presentation notes or any text you think works best. Next, you'll select your preferred language, which is super helpful if you want a voiceover in something other than English. Then you'll see voice options like Lisa or Ralph. Go ahead and play around with these voices. Maybe one feels warmer or more energetic for your project. When you're set, click Generate AI Voice and Canva will process your text into an audio file. Give it a moment, it usually just takes a few seconds. When it's done, you can preview the audio, then drop it right into your presentation. And that's it. With either method, you can easily add that pro-sounding voiceover to your Canva project. If you got stuck or need a little more help, just drop your questions in the comments. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to give this video a like if it helped you out, and subscribe if you want more clear, easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy creating.